It's Reese here from Hema Maps. We're just here in the Victorian High Country doing some driver training and some mapping. Earlier today we come across a bit of bad weather and some clay. It gave us the opportunity to test out a new product. These are called GoTreads. So what they are is recovery platform. It's a little bit different to your normal recovery mats or recovery tracks. They fold up, so they pack down fairly small. As you can see, there's grip on both sides of the track. So that means when you fold these out onto the track, they have the ability to dig in as you try to drive across them. You do have the ability to lengthen it, which gives you the ability to have quite a long single track rather than other manufacturers where it's just single tracks that you place next to one another. So the disadvantage of having separated tracks, it means as you drive over them, they can bounce and move out from where you originally placed them. The advantages with these is they're connected and they conform with the ground below, so they're less likely to move. After testing it in the slippery clay, we decided to have a go at them near a river crossing. We tested them on the rock and also on a very steep, muddy incline, and I was pleasantly surprised how well they held up and how much grip they actually gave the tyres. There you go, guys, the GoTreads. We'll continue testing them as we go out west into WA, test them in the sand.